Good morning to everyone. So in the last section, we are discussing the construction of the state model for given differential equations and the transfer functions and the translational mechanical systems and the electrical systems. So today discussing homogeneous and non-homogeneous. So in the last class discussing the homogeneous and one of the problem. Today discussing the problems in non-homogeneous equation and the state transition matrix. So the state transition matrix is very important. Okay. So ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక problem ఇస్తాడు. Okay. So first in the given problem is a linear time invariant system is characterized by x1 dash x2 dash is equal to 1011 x1 x2. To compute the solution for the homogeneous equation, so in the initial condition 1 0, okay, so in the given state equation, in the given state equation, this is x dash is equal to, this is A matrix into X. In the state equation, X dash is equal to AX. This is A matrix 1011. Okay. And the initial condition, X of 0 equal to 10. Okay. So first one advainda. So in the formula of the homogeneous equation is Laplace inverse of Si minus A Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. Okay, so A matrix ichadu 2 by 2 matrix, assuming the identity matrix, Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. What is x of 0? 1 0. Okay, so chestara first problem, first bit, and the second one, consider, know that the system has a forcing function is represented by the following equation. Same, this is in the form of x dash is equal to Ax plus Bu. Okay, and when the given input is unit step signal, input emichadu unit step signal, so u of s ante entamma 1 by s unit step signal ichi. Okay, so clear all of you in the homogeneous first one, non-homogeneous second. X dash is equal to Ax plus Bu. A matrix is given, B matrix is given, and the input signal is given to the unit step signal. Okay, so first the homogeneous equation x of t, the solution for the homogeneous equation, the solution of the homogeneous equation x of t is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. Okay, so A matrix is given 1 0 1 1. Okay, so the first one 1 0 1 1. Okay, so first listen carefully. So in the first A homogeneous solution, what is the homogeneous solution? X of t is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. Okay, so the Laplace inverse of Si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. So in the given A matrix is 1 0 1 1. ఏమి ఇచ్చాడమ్మా మనకి ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 1 0 1 1. సో ఫస్ట్ మనం లాప్లాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ అప్లై చేయాలంటే ఏం కావాలి Si minus a whole inverse into x of 0 కావాలి. ఓకే సో ఫస్ట్ calculate Si minus a. So the A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, assuming the identity matrix also 2 by 2. So what is 2 by 2 identity matrix? 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. And what is A matrix? 1 0 1 1. So S 0 S into 0 0 S into 0 0 S into 1 S. Then Si minus a 1 0 0 sorry 1 1. Then amma ichindi manaki. So S minus 1 the first one S minus 1 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 S minus 1 S minus 1. Then Si minus a. Next Si minus a whole inverse. Si minus a whole inverse. So Si minus a already calculate chesam. Its whole inverse. For example, in the A is A, B, C, D. What is A inverse? A inverse is 1 by AD minus BC, D minus B minus C and A. This is the A inverse. Same in the Si minus A whole inverse. A, this is A, this is B, C, D. Okay. So yes, AD minus BC. So 1 by S minus 1 whole square. BC is 0 into something 0. Okay. And D. What is D? S minus 1 minus B 0 minus C 1 S minus 1. Clear? D minus B minus C A. Okay. So Si minus A whole inverse వచ్చేసిందమ్మా. So ఏమైంది S minus 1 by S minus 1 whole square. First term, second term 0, third term 1 by S minus 1 whole square. And the next one S minus 1 by S minus 1 whole square. S minus 1 in the denominator S minus 1 cancel. Okay. So what is the equation? What is the matrix? 1 by S minus 1 0 1 by S minus 1 whole square. Next 1 by S minus 1. This is Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. X of 0 enti 1 0. మనకి ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్స్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడమ్మా 1 0. సో 1 by S minus 1 మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. The first row, first column. 1 by S minus 1 into 1, 1 by S minus 1. Next, 0 into 0, 0. Next, 1 by S minus 1 whole square. Then, 1 by S minus 1 whole square. This is the Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0. Next, Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse into x of 0 ఏమొచ్చింది 1 by S minus 1 1 by s minus 1 whole square. Emma, so Laplace inverse of, what is the formula of 1 by s plus a? Formula is e power minus at. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a whole square formula enti? T into e power minus at. So the Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 1, it is e power t minus a kabatti minus into minus plus kabatti e power t. E power t. This is the solution for the first one. Clear all of you? Next, second problem. Em kanukomannadu? Consider now that the system has a forcing function which is represented by the following equation: x1 dash x2 dash. Same a ichadu, b ichadu, and the unit step signal is the input. Input enti? Unit step signal. Emma ఒకసారి చూడండి. The non-homogeneous equation. What is the formula of the non-homogeneous equation? Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into x of 0 plus Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into b into u of s. So already మనం ఇప్పుడు చేసాం homogeneous equation. Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into x of 0 already calculate చేసాం. ఇంకేం చేయాలి? Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into b into u of s. Okay, చేద్దామా? b into u of s. So it's very simple. So Laplace inverse of solution is si minus a whole inverse into x of 0 plus Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into b into u of s. Okay, so already మనం si minus a whole inverse చేసాం. Okay, so si minus a whole inverse ఏమొచ్చింది? si minus a whole inverse is equal to Emma, so 1 by s minus 1. Next to second one is 0. Third one is 1 by s minus 1 whole square. Emma, antena? So last one 1 by s minus 1. Idena? Si minus a whole inverse into b. So b ఏమిచ్చాడు? Same 1 0. 1 0 na 1 1 అమ్మా. సో ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేసి చెప్పండి. Okay, next. Discussing state transition matrix. State transition matrix. So the state transition matrix means that define which is satisfies the homogeneous state equation, represents the free response of the system it gives the response excited by the initial conditions only. Okay, so the state transition matrix satisfies the homogeneous state equation, represents the free response of the system. It gives the response excited by the initial conditions only. The formula of the state transition matrix is phi of t is equal to e power at is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. So the formula of the state transition matrix phi of t is equal to e power at and the Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. Okay, so in the very important 3 marks or 4 marks question, what are the properties of state transition matrix? What are the properties of state transition matrix? So the first property of the state transition matrix is phi of 0 equal to I. Phi of 0 is equal to I. What is the formula of the state transition matrix? So manaki okavela A matrix ichi appudu solution anukondi the Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse chestam. Okay, so in the properties phi of t is equal to e power at. So phi of t is equal to e power at. So t place lo ఎంత సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాడు 0. First property phi of 0. What is happened? E power in the t is replaced 0. E power 0 is 1. Okay, so it depends on the identity matrix. So phi of 0 is equal to I. Then the first property is proved. Phi of 0 is equal to I. Next, the second property, phi of t whole inverse is equal to phi of t whole inverse is equal to phi of minus t. Phi of t whole inverse is equal to phi of minus t. Okay, so phi of t whole inverse is e power at whole inverse. Antenamma, phi of t ante enti e power at kada. So e power at whole inverse, it's e power minus a into t. It is e power a into minus t. Ila raicha e power a into minus t. It is in the t is minus t replaced. So phi of minus t. T is minus t. Then the proof in the second property, phi of t whole inverse is equal to phi of minus t. Next, in the third property is phi of t1, t2. So phi of t1 plus t2 is equal to phi of t1 into phi of t2. Okay, so phi of t1 plus t2 e power of a t place lo em replace chestunna t1 plus t2 tenamma. Okay, so this is in the form of e power a plus b. What is the formula of e power a plus b? E power a into e power b. Okay, so this is e power a into t1 into e power a into t2. t place లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ t1. so 5 of t1 into 5 of t2. 5 of t1 into 5 of t2. So the third property is also proved. 5 of t1 plus t2 is equal to 5 of t1 t2. Okay, so next fourth one is 5 of t2 minus t1 into 5 of t1 minus t0. Okay, so ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు మనకి 5 of t2 minus t1 into 5 of t1 minus t0 in the e power a into formula is t2 minus t1 into e power a into t1 minus t0. e power a into e power b. So ఇందాక మనం చూసాం ఏంటి ఫార్ములా e power a plus b. So e power of a into t2 minus a into t1 plus a into t1 minus a into t0 minus at1 plus at1 is cancelled. e power of a into t2 minus t0. Antenamma? So all of you clear? So a in the first term, last term is also a, common a, t2 minus t0. It's the 5 of t2 minus t0. This is the formula. This is the property of 5 of t2 minus t1 into 5 of t1 minus t0 is equal to 5 of t2 minus t0. Next, in the last two properties, phi of t whole power k is equal to phi of kt. Emma? So the last property, phi of t whole power k is equal to phi of k into t. Phi of t whole power k, it's e power at whole power k. Okay, it is e power a into kt. Emma? So phi of kt, t place lo ఏముంది ఇక్కడ kt. So phi of kt. Last property is also phi of kt. So all of you clear all the properties? So 5 properties. First one, phi of 0 is equal to I. Second one, phi of t whole inverse is equal to phi of minus t. Next, third one, phi of t1 plus t2 is equal to phi of t1 into phi of t2. Next, fourth one, phi of t2 minus t1 into phi of t1 minus t0 is equal to phi of t2 minus t0. Next, last one, phi of t whole power k is equal to, whole power k equal to phi of kt. These 5 properties very important. Okay, so next, obtain the state transition matrix for the state model whose system matrix. So మనకు ఒక స్టేట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు, x dash is equal to ax. సో మనం ఏం చేయాలి, obtain the state transition matrix. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఇచ్చిన 2x2 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 1 1 0 1. సో ఇట్స్ very simple problem and very important state transition matrix. So in the given A matrix is 1 1 0 1. So obtain the state transition matrix. Obtain the state transition matrix. So in the given A matrix is 2x2 matrix. So state transition matrix phi of t is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. So the A matrix is 2x2 matrix, assuming the identity matrix also 2x2. So first calculate the Si minus A. Okay, so A 2x2 matrix kabatti identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into S kabatti S 0 0 S minus A. What is A matrix? 1 1 0 1. Then so S minus 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1, sorry 0 minus 0 kada, so it's 0 and S minus 1. Then so Si minus A whole inverse same indak manam chesam 1 by AD minus BC. So 1 by S minus 1 whole square minus 1 into 0 0 into D. What is D? S minus 1. What is minus B is 1 0 S minus 1. Then so 1 by S minus 1. Next S minus 1 cancel. So 1 by S minus 1. Next 1 by S minus 1 whole square. Third element is 0. Fourth element is 1 by S minus 1. So Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. Okay, so the Laplace inverse of 1 by S minus 180 e power t. Laplace inverse of 1 by S minus 1 whole square t into e power t 0. Next e power t. This is the solution for the state transition matrix in the given A matrix 1 1 0 1. Okay na? So all of you clear? Or any doubt? Any doubt unte adagandi amma okkasari. Ask any doubts. Adagandi cheptanu fast. Next problem. Obtain the state transition matrix whose system matrix A is equal to 0 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so the formula of the state transition matrix is Si minus Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. So first calculate the Si minus A. ఒకసారి చూడండి. సో మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 0 1 minus 1 minus 2. సో ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈస్ 1 0 0 1. ఓకే, సో S minus 1 ఏమా, సో ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేయండి. S minus 0, S. S into 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1. S into 0, 0. 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1. S into 1, yes. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. S minus 1, 1. S plus 2. And the Si minus A whole inverse. So 1 by AD minus BC. So this is A, B, C, D. 1 by AD minus BC. So 1 by S into S plus 2 minus of minus 1 into 1. S into S plus 2 plus 1. And the D, what is the D element? S plus 2. What is minus B? So minus of minus 1 plus 1. What is C? Minus C, minus 1. What is A element? S. So S plus 2, 1, minus 1, S. So in the AD minus BC, S square plus 2S plus 1. It is in the form of S plus 1 whole square. So in the S plus 1 whole square, so A plus B whole square formula, S square plus 2S plus 1. Okay. So S square, S plus 1 whole square. So S plus 2 by S plus 1 whole square. So S plus 2 by S plus 1 whole square. Second element 1 by S plus 1 whole square. Third element minus 1 by S plus 1 whole square. Fourth element S by S plus 1 whole square. So in the Laplace inverse of 1 by S plus A, formula is e power minus AT. So Laplace inverse of 1 by S plus A whole square t into e power minus 8. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ లో ఉన్నాయా ఇవి? సో ఫార్ములాస్ లో లేవు కాబట్టి అప్లై ద పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. సో అప్లై ద పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్, సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్, థర్డ్ ఎలిమెంట్, ఫోర్త్ ఎలిమెంట్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అప్లై ద లాప్లాస్ ఇన్వర్స్. ఓకే. సో ఏ బి వాల్యూస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి లాప్లాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ అప్లై చేసి. So this is the state transition matrix.